Hello, ladies and gentlemen. First, welcome to the new members to this group. This group had been around since 2020, and it had a lot of shapes and forms, and I changed more than 10 strategies. And I don't know if you can still see the historical data, but if you go back until 2020, you will see a lot of different stuff, mainly price action, until we shifted our focus into ICT methods because this is what we came across and this is what we find the best edge in. So yeah, I'll make sure I'll always do some updates, track our process, some educational stuff technically, and some psychological tips. So I really hope that you will find a lot of value in my updates. And also, I have my partners, they are inside this channel. Hopefully, you'll get to know them later on. So, with that being said, I see a very nice opportunity on a GU simply after making a displacement to the upside. The bias was mixed throughout this choppy price action. However, after the close above this inverse fair value gap, which it respected for a long time, it also created a bullish fair value gap after this hour will close. So anything can change before this hour close. It needs 31 minutes to develop this bullish fair value gap. So this helped me identify the bias that we are definitely bullish, at least on the 1 hour time frame. We displaced higher from this low, created a new high, and we left a nice fair value gap on the 1 hour time frame, which aligns perfectly with this inverse fair value gap over here. So I'm gonna wait until price closes this 1 hour after 30 minutes, and then I will see price. I want to see price rotating slowly back into this point of interest, and then we will see if we can have any kind of reversal pattern. So maybe we can have a trade from here at this point of interest until this buy side over here, or even we can extend our TP till this buy side, and our stop loss no need to be less than, let's say, this week over here. It can be around this week over here. So this trade could potentially be 3.38 or multiples. So let's see how this is gonna develop. We'll wait a little bit longer and see. On the lower time frames, this is the 15-minute time frame. This is an order block which looks very nice. So even though the price continues to go up, it's still okay. It's even better because it's confirming that it's being more bullish. So at the same time, we will have this H1 fair value gap as well as this 15 minutes order block. So even though price went up, it would still be valid, and then price, we will wait actually for price to rotate lower, and then we can execute long position on GU. Also, like a nice confirmation from the euro, we saw also a displacement to the upside. It doesn't seem, first let's remove this alert, we don't no longer need it. It doesn't seem that it's afraid. Price is not afraid from this fair value gap. In fact, it's just moving towards this fair value gap as if it doesn't exist. So this is nice to see. If I'm bullish on GU, I still want to see that EU is bullish because those two pairs are highly correlated with each other. So after EU closes this candle on H4 time frame, it will give us more confirmation that price is bullish. So we usually use this correlation between EU and GU because they simply move almost the same. So again, this is the structure on GU, very plain and simple. We don't need to complicate the setup more than it is right now, right here. It's very simple. Just simply waiting for this candle to close like this, wait for a retracement here on the lower time frame. I'll be observing a reversal pattern such as displacement and so on, and we can definitely catch this move to the upside. So let's wait and see together what could potentially unfold in this setup. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next update.